Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm coming to you from Fifth Avenue, 812 Fifth. I just came from the 16th floor and saw a full floor listing. Douglas Elliman, Diane Johnson, Susan Sperber. It's being offered at $13,900,000. Okay, here's what's happening. Next door, it's a condo that's coming up at 815 Fifth Avenue, and I'm positive the price point is got to be close to $5,000 a foot or more. Now, the price they're asking for this apartment, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get $13,900. I've done a renovation budget that makes this make sense, but in order for it to make sense, you have to make an offer that isn't close to $13,900, because they're never gonna get it, never gonna get it. But next door, I'm sure the same square footage is $5,000 a foot. Now, that's a condo. No question about it. This is a co-op. Totally understand the consequences of co-op versus condo. But if you can buy this apartment at the right price and not totally overshoot the runway on the renovation, you have 75 feet that face Central Park. It's killer. The view is fantastic. It's very loud. That's what's going on in this apartment. And we're not even going inside, because here's the thing. Kitchens, out. Bathrooms, out. Moldings, out. Floors, out. I don't care what they look like, neither do you. If you're gonna put the whole place back together again, why do you care what it looks like now? This is a math market. It's not a molding market. Doesn't matter what the molding looks like. We will find one that works for the buyer. What you care about is the math, and if the math doesn't add up, it doesn't matter what the kitchen cabinet choice is, I promise you. Check it out and make a value play offer. And maybe you're going to be way ahead of your neighbor next door when you move in a year and it's done, and they're over $5,000 a foot. They just cracked up the jackhammer. I'm out of here. Have a great week, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.